Welcome back to the channel, guys. In order to do our alignment, we got a little tool here to help us. Search toe plates for alignment on Amazon, and the ones that I bought were here for 52 bucks. Learn from my mistake, spend a little extra money on getting one of these two that have that little screw and slit here. What that's going to do is line up with the rim themselves. Since mine doesn't have that, it lines up with the tire, which won't give as accurate of a measurement. So, spend a little extra money. So what we got here, a couple of tape measures and a couple of toe plates. So what we're going to do is take each one of these toe plates and put them on the outside of our front tires. Then one of our tape measures will go in the back of the tires, connected to the two toe plates, and the other tape measure will connect the two toe plates in front of the tires. This will show us which direction they're in, how even they are, how straight they are, and what to adjust our tie rods to. So we got to loosen these bolts on our tie rods on both sides. This side was a little tougher, but we finally got it loosened. Gonna give it some room so we can then adjust our tie rod here. So we got our tape measures stretched out, and we can see this one's almost at 6'8". This one's almost at 6'9". So because we have a little bit of toe out, I'm gonna have to bring our tires into each other in the front. We're gonna start with the driver's side. We're almost there. Right past the 80, we have two lines right at the metal. Then on this side, we got our 80 and two lines right at the metal. Just about perfect. We're gonna tighten up those loose bolts on our tie rods and then take it for a test drive. So we're on our test drive and the car seems to be handling good. It's not pulling anymore to the right, to the left. So we should be good to go. I know a lot of people swear by toe plates, say they're better than an alignment rack. I don't know if that's so true, but for 50 bucks, the alignment on the 240 was 80 and the alignment on the 350Z was 150. So for 50 bucks, we can't beat it. This will work on our 350 or any other car we try it on. So I think it was a really good investment. I hope y'all learned something and I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll catch you on the next one, fam. Peace.